Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Ever one of my best customers. And guess what? Let me see, guess what? Only customer that makes most expensive clothes here is the one. That's a clothes there. 1.5 million. One attire. First customer to make most expensive attire here. Hey. Fidelity Bank. Hey. Beautiful! Wow! From Lisa Jory to Tropilo one that he come. Oh, Shego! Wow! Thank you. But Friday is my own birthday. Really? And I want to come. No problem. You want to come? Oh, thank you, darling. Thank you. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you. How are you doing? Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. How are you doing? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Now we take some.
Thank you so much for watching our videos, and importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gua TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's so. And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.